the hidden mystery of snake legs. Did ancient snakes have legs? Welcome back to Animals Universe. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most fascinating mysteries in the animal kingdom. Did ancient snakes have legs? Snakes are known for their long, legless bodies, but did they once walk on legs like some of their closest relatives? Stick around as we unravel the truth behind this hidden mystery. Part 1: The Evolution of Snakes. To understand the mystery of snake legs, we first need to take a trip back in time. Snakes belong to the reptile family, and their closest living relatives are lizards. Now, lizards, as we know, have 4 legs. But when we look at snakes, they're distinctly legless. So, when did snakes lose their legs, and why? Scientists believe snakes evolved from 4-legged lizard-like ancestors around 100 to 150 million years ago. These early ancestors of snakes, like boids or primitive snake species, had limbs. Over time, these limbs gradually shrank and disappeared, a process known as limb reduction. Part 2: Fossil evidence of legged snakes. The idea that ancient snakes had legs is not just a theory. There is fossil evidence to support it. The most famous fossil that points to legged snakes is a species called Tetrapardophis amplectus. Discovered in Brazil in 2015, this fossil dates back to the Cretaceous period, about 110 million years ago. Tetrapardophis had both legs and a long body, and its structure suggests that it may have used its legs for movement, even though it was still adapted for slithering. These legs, however, were not like the legs of modern lizards or mammals. Instead, they were small, rudimentary, and likely not used for walking as we understand it today. Part 3: Theories behind limb reduction. So why did snakes lose their legs in the first place? There are several theories. One possibility is that the ancestors of snakes lived in environments where legs were not useful. For example, early snakes might have lived in burrows or slithered through narrow spaces between rocks or in water. Losing legs could have made them more streamlined and better suited to these environments. Another theory suggests that snakes evolved to hunt prey more efficiently. Being legless may have allowed them to move quickly and silently through the grass or undergrowth, giving them an advantage when ambushing prey. Part 4: The Genetic Evidence. The question remains, how did snakes lose their legs genetically? Well, it all comes down to genes. Modern snakes still have genetic markers that, in other animals, would develop into legs. These genes, known as Hox genes, play a major role in limb development. In the case of snakes, mutations in these genes led to the loss of limb development over generations. Interestingly, some modern snakes, like boars and pythons, still have tiny vestigial structures called pelvic spurs. These small, claw-like remnants are the last vestiges of their ancient legs, hinting at the evolutionary history of legged snakes. Conclusion. So, did ancient snakes have legs? The answer is yes. Snakes evolved from legged ancestors, and fossil evidence shows that some early species of snakes did indeed have small legs. Over millions of years, as they adapted to new environments and hunting strategies, these legs gradually disappeared. However, the genetic evidence shows that the legacy of these ancient legs still lives on in modern snakes. The hidden mystery of snake legs may be ancient, but it reveals much about the remarkable evolutionary journey of these slithering creatures. From legged ancestors to the slithering snakes we know today, their story is one of incredible transformation. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the hidden mystery of snake legs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of animals. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature with Animals Universe.